Hello kids, welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do linear equation in one variable. Introduction. We have learned about the linear equation in one variable in the preceding class. Let us recall. An equation is a mathematical statement equating two quantities. The expression on either side of the equal sign are called the members of the equations. In the equation, the letter whose value are not known are known as variable. जिसकी वैल्यू पता नहीं होगी, they are known as variables. Thus, an equation is a statement which involve one or more variable. For example, a minus 3 that is equals to 8, 2x minus 4 that is equals to 10, 3x plus 4y that is equals to 10, etc. An equation in one variable is the statement of equality which contain only one variable. For example, x minus 3 equals to 7. So here x is a variable, only one variable is there. So this is the equation with one variable. X plus 3 equals to 21. Again, x is a variable. Finding the value of the variable for which the given statement is true is called the solving an equation. The value which satisfies the equation is called the solution or root for the equation. The degree or the power of an equation corresponding to the term of highest degree occurring in the equation. Example लेते हैं. The degree of 3x minus 7 equals to 9 is 1 because the term of highest degree is 3x. Because जो वेरिएबल की जो हाईएस्ट डिग्री है दैट इज 1, सो डिग्री क्या हो जाएगी 1. द डिग्री ऑफ 3x प्लस 4x स्क्वायर माइनस 7 इक्वल्स टू 0. सो डिग्री इज 2 बिकॉज द हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ वेरिएबल इज 2 हियर. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, लीनियर इक्वेशन. When the power or the degree of the variable in an equation is 1, it is called the linear equation. For example, x minus 5 equals to 7 is a linear equation. Next is operations to solve linear equation. There are definite rules which can be operated on the given equation in order to obtain an equivalent equation. These are as follow. The same number can be added to both sides of an equation without changing the value of the equation. The same number can be added to both sides of an equation without changing the value of equation. The same number can be subtracted from both sides of an equation. Both sides of an equation can be multiplied by the same number. Both sides of an equation can be divided by the same non-zero number. If ax plus b upon cx plus d equals to m upon n, then n into ax plus b equals to m into cx plus d. This is called cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means the numerator here is multiplied by the denominator and this numerator is multiplied by this denominator. Clear? If any term of an equation is taken from one side to the other, from the left hand side to the right hand side or vice versa, then the sign changes. This is known as transposition. Solution of linear equation. A value of variable which makes the equation a true statement is called the solution or a root of linear equation. Next, solve example. Solve 2y plus 5 equals to 15. So here we have to find the value of y. So we'll transport 5 to the other side and the sign will change. So 2y equals to 15. Here 5 was positive, negative हो जाएगा 15 minus 5. So 2y equals to 10. So y equals to 10 upon 2. Because y के साथ 2 क्या होता है मल्टीप्लाई में, साइड चेंज होगी तो क्या हो जाएगा डिवाइड में. So 10 upon 2 that is 5. So y equals to 5. Clear? Next, note to remember. Any term of an equation may be taken to the other side with the change of its sign. The process is called transportation. So एक जो टर्म है उसको दूसरी साइड में ले जाना बाय चेंजिंग इट्स साइड is known as transportation. Some more examples are given here. You have to practice them. Next is exercise 2.1. Solve the following equations. 7x minus 9 equals to 12. 7x minus 9 equals to 12. So change the side of 9. Variable वाले part को एक side रखेंगे and दूसरे वाले part का साइड चेंज करेंगे. सो इट बिकम +9. सो 7x इक्वल्स टू हो जाएगा 21. सो x इक्वल्स टू 21/7, that is equals to 3. That is the correct answer. Clear? So you have to practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is application of linear equation. For solving some practical problems, equations are very useful. To solve problems leading to linear equation, following steps may be used. Step 1. Read the problem carefully. Note down what is given and what is to be determined. Represent the unknown quantity by the variable, for example, x, y, etc. Form the linear equation with the help of variable and the data given in the problem. Solve the equation. Check the result by satisfying the condition of the original problem. Let's take an example. The sum of three consecutive even number is 72. Find the numbers. Solution क्या हो जाएगा? Let the three consecutive even numbers are, suppose the first number is x, so next will be x plus 2, then x plus 4. Clear? So their sum x plus x plus 2 plus x plus 4 equals to 72. Remove the bracket. x को ऐड कर देंगे, x plus x 2x plus x 3x. 4 plus 2 6. 3x plus 6 equals to 72. So 3x equals to जाएगा 72 minus 6, that is 66. So x equals to 66/3, that is 22. So first even number is 22. Next is 22 plus 2, that is 24. Third is 22 plus 4, that is 26. So numbers are 22, 24 and 26. Next, note to remember. Solution of an equation can be integer, rational number and decimal number. Some more examples are given here. You have to practice them. Next is exercise 2.2. The difference of two numbers is 8. They are in ratio of 9:13. Find the number. Suppose the ratio is 9x and 13x. So the difference is 13x minus 9x equals to 8. 4x equals to 8. X equals to 8 upon 4. So that is 2. So numbers क्या हो जाएंगे? 9 into 2, 9x थे, यानी 9 into 2, that is 18, and next is 13x, means 13 into 2, that is 26. Clear? So you have to practice all the questions of this exercise. We'll move to next topic. Next, things to remember. An equation is a statement of two algebraic expressions including an unknown quantity is called variable. An equation involving only linear polynomial is called linear equation. Rules used to solving a linear equations are: the same number can be added on both sides of an equation. The same number can be subtracted on the both sides of an equation. Both sides of equation can be multiplied by the same number. Both sides of equation can be divided by the same non-zero number. The process of taking any terms of equation from one side on the equality to the other side with its sign changed is called transportation. If we apply cross multiplication as when ax plus b upon cx plus d equals to p upon q, Then Q into AX plus B equals to P into CX plus D. Next is multiple choice questions. Take the correct answer in each of the following. First, the solution for the equation x plus 4 upon 2x minus 7 equals to 4 upon 3. So, this equation is here we will do the cross multiplication. 3 multiplied by x plus 4, that is equals to 4 multiplied by 2x minus 7. So, 3 into x 3x plus 12 8x minus 28. वेरिएबल को एक साइड कर देंगे. 3x minus 8x equals to minus 28 minus 12, that is minus 5x. ये हो जाएगा minus 40. x equals to minus 40 upon minus 5, 8. So, C is the correct answer. Clear? So, you have to practice all the questions of this chapter. Here we end the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Now, you have to practice it.